Hello, and welcome back to my channel po. Welcome back to Jai and Jerry. Kamusta ang lahat? How are you? I hope everyone is doing fine and well. So anyways, for today's video, I'm pretty sure that not all of you can relate to this topic, but I hope that you will still watch this video and support me and like video and share as well. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jade. I am from the Philippines and I live in Pensacola, Florida right now. I got here through K1 fiance visa and I am now a green card holder, a lawfully permanent resident of the United States under conditional 2 years po. For this video, I would like to share with you how to get I-94 online or the arrival and departure record here in the US especially if you are a K1 fiance visa. Ano-ano nga ba yung mga requirements? Ano yung gagawin mo when you get here to the US? Number 1 po is to get your I-94 or the arrival and departure record. Ano ba? What is I-94? So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and please click the bell button para po ma-notify kayo on my next upload, especially if you are a K1 fiance visa filer or adjustment of status filer. I make videos about K1 visa and adjustment of status, especially in my case that I am a DIY filer or a do-it-yourself. No lawyer, no agency. Ako lang po lahat nag-gather ng mga documents. Ako lang po nag-submit ng aking application sa USCIS. So, yes, please click like and subscribe and paki-share na rin po ng ating videos para po makatulong din po ito sa ibang that are filing for their K1 fiance visa or is about to file for their K1 fiance visa and or applying for their adjustment of status here in the US. So please what is I-94? So I-94 po, for those who doesn't know, is the arrival and departure records that issued by the Department of Homeland Security when you arrive here in the US. As of April 30, 2013, most of the arrival and or departure records are created electronically upon your arrival. So, in my case, they just give us a stamp when we enter in our port of entry. They give us a stamp on when can we stay, hanggang kailan lang po tayo pwedeng magstay sa US if you don't follow the rules or if you don't get married within 90 days. So, di ba may tatak dyan sa mga passport ninyo, especially sa mga nakapasok na po sa US on a K1 fiance visa, you have a stamp on your passport that says you are only allowed until the specific date. So, that is the record, your arrival record, and that's gonna be your departure record as well in the US. Now, I-94 po is required when you apply for SSN or the Social Security number. It's also required when you adjust your status or when you apply for your green card and when you apply for I-765 or the employment authorization. Required po itong I-94. And also, some states require I-94 if you're going to apply for sa DMV, like you apply for license. May ibang states po, they require I-94 or the arrival and departure record. So make sure that you don't make this mistake when you are a K1 fiance visa and you are here in the US. Make sure that you know what to do and you know which one to click. So on this video, I will show you how to get your I-94 or the arrival and departure record. So where do you get your I-94? You can get your I-94 through USCIS website. You can go to all forms and then you can type in on the search bar on the top right hand corner of your computer or on your phone or on your screen. You can type in form I-94. And then makikita nyo po doon, you can download or print it out and then fill out the form. And also, you can go directly to their website, the official website of the Customs and Border Protection. That's I-94.cbp.dhs .gov. That is the official website of the Department of Homeland Security where you get your I-94 arrival and departure record form. Doon po mismo. This is how you get your I-94 or the arrival and departure record. I-94, just Google or type I-94.cbp.dhs.gov. If you don't know, CBP stands for Customs Border Protection and DHS is the Department of Homeland Security. So when you click this one, ito po yung lalabas. This is the official website, dhs.gov. And then here, ito po yung official website nila of the Department of Homeland Security. Basahin niyo po lahat ito so you understand everything and alam niyo po kung ano yung gagawin niyo. So dito meron home, apply for new I-94, get most recent I-94, view travel history, view compliance, Guam, travel info, and frequently asked questions. Pwede nyo po din basahin itong mga frequently asked questions. Baka po may mga tanong kayo. Ano ba yung nandito? Bakit ba kailangan ito? Nandito po yung mga sagot. So anyways, here, going back to home, ito po yung makikita ninyo. You can just click this one, get most recent I-94, or you can scroll down to know kung ano ba yung dapat nyong kunin, alin ba dito. So, visiting the U.S. and arriving via a land border or selected ferry. This is for, ito po, needed by all visitors, returning residents, aliens, blah, blah, blah. Dito po, already visiting, pag nandito na po kayo sa U.S., ito po, if you're going to apply for adjustment of status, and you're going to need this as well to get your social security number. So, click nyo po dito, get most recent I-94. And then, lalabas po ang terms and conditions or the terms of service. Please read everything. And then, meron po yung decline and exit. And of course, I acknowledge and agree. Ito na po yung lalabas. Get most recent I-94. Get your most recent I-94 form to prove your legal visitor status in the United States. Ayan po. So, inter-traveler information dito. Lagyan nyo po yan. Meron po dito sa gilid, enter all information exactly as it appears on your travel documentation you used to enter the United States. So, ilagay nyo po dito yung first name, last name, birth date, of course, document number, and country of citizenship. Now, what is document number? Dito po sa gilid, there is a question mark. Just put the arrow there and then lalabas na po yung kung anong ibig sabihin ng document number. So typically, this is your passport number. So please enter your passport number exactly as it appears on the biographic page of your passport. So basahin niyo po yan and then ilagay niyo po yung details niyo lahat dyan. So let me just put my information here. So, after putting po your traveler information, kung ano po yung nag-a-appear sa visa ninyo. So, ito po yung lalabas after clicking next. Ayan na po, most recent I-94 result for, yun yung pangalan ninyo. Tapos, admission, your I-94 number. Ito po yung gagamitin ninyo for applying for your adjustment of status. Diba may question doon, what is your admission number or I-94 number? Your class of admission, nandun din po yung tanong. And most recent date of entry. And then admitted, hanggang kailan lang po kayo. May expiration po. Yan po yung sa 90 days po ninyo. And all the details that you need to provide. Ayun po, ito po. And then, you can print this out. You can print this out, click print, screenshot, or i-email nyo po ito sa inyo. So, this is how you get your I-94 po. Ayun po, ganun lang po kadali ang kumuha ng I-94 po ninyo. And again, you can print it out kasi you might need it on SSN. Usually, ang naririnig ko, they require it. I-94 is required when you get your SSN and most especially when you apply for your adjustment of status here in the US. So please visit once again uscis.com or .gov, that's the official website of the immigration, and the Customs and Border Protection, the I-94 po .cbp.dhs.gov. That's the official website kung saan nyo po makukuha yung form po ninyo. So, make sure that you don't make the mistake. Get the most recent. Yun po yung dapat na kunin ninyo. The most recent na I-94 po ninyo. Do not click the apply new I-94. So get the most recent I-94 po. Don't make that mistake. So that's it. Please subscribe and click the bell button para po ma-notify kayo on my next video, especially if you're a K1 fiancé visa or adjustment of status filer. I do have videos about K1 fiancé visa, my experiences, how did I do it, medical, how to book everything. And meron pa akong videos niyan, and also for a green card as well, adjustment of status. I do have videos about adjustment of status, how I applied for it, how I arranged my packet, what are the requirements, and my timeline when I applied for my green card up until when I had my green card on hand. So I have my timeline of my green card, kung paano po yung process, mga ganito ganyan. Please visit my channel and go to playlist and find K1 Visa and AOS step-by-step guide. Naka-step-by-step guide po yun doon. So just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional nor a legal expert. I'm only sharing based from my own experiences. These are all from my own experiences lang po. So please, do your own research as well. Mas mabuti na po yung may alam po tayo kasi naman po magre-rely lang tayo lahat. So it's much better that you know as well what to do. Visit the official website uscis.gov, travel.state.gov. That's the official website of the Department of State. If you want to know more about the visas and all of that stuff, and adjustment of status sa USCIS, those are the official website po. And also, the official website on where to get your I-94 is i94.cbp.dhs.gov. Maraming salamat po, and I hope to see you in my next video. Next video will be how to fill out I-765 or the employment authorization para naman po masabay-sabay na ito. I've already made a video on how to fill out I-485. Please check my other videos. Search. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakasuporta, sa laging nagsusuporta po sa mga videos natin, lagi po naka-like, laging nakatambay. Maraming salamat po. I hope to see you in my next video. See ya everybody. Bye!